高や。Bonito sashimi tataki. Japanese ginger flower, myoga. Dalilang menu. Lots of herbs and spices. Ginger. Try not to burn it. Auber leaves. Smells so nice. Again, rinse with fresh water. The shishito leaves also has aku, something unwanted. I don't know what that is in English, so if you go to a local fishmonger, minus 100 yen from 338, so that's only 230 yen. That's about less than $2. Wakame. Yep. No. Hot olive oil. We've got toasted garlic. Lots of herbs. Plenty of herbs. Plenty of herbs. You can't see the fish. Garlic. Yeah, it's got the sauce in there. You might as well use it. The tataki sauce. Basically, soy sauce. It says, what is it made from? Yes, vinegar, soy sauce, kombu extract. Kombu extract. Love kombu. Kombu has a super koidain. Protects us from virus attack. So that's my first course for my dinner. Chef's day off, Sunday evening. Katsuo no tataki with plenty of Japanese herbs and spices. Oh, herbs. Yeah, Japanese ginger flower, shiso leaves, and ginger grated. Whoops. From my organic garden, orange tomato. Look it up. Done. Let's eat. Half an hour prep. All done. This is the potato we made during the lunch hour. And a small potato and another dish, side dish my mom made during the lunch hour. Tatai-Bonito Katsuo with lots of herbs. Also from my organic garden. Say that again. More sauce. My soba too. Plus soy sauce. Oh, let's. いただきます。
これなんや。
うまっ。
よかった。
Garlic. Bye. Chin chin to all my Catalan friends.
これ何これしょうが。
ほら。最高や。